This is Don from A Life's Journeys, and welcome to the premiere episode of my new web series called Trip Clips. In this first episode, I want to give you a little bit of an introduction to A Life's Journeys and to the whole concept behind Trip Clips. A Life's Journeys is a blog that I started a little over a year ago. Got into it, getting ready for some trips, was reading a lot of other blogs, thought there were some things that I could do differently, things that I could share. So started it. It's at alifesjourneys.com. You'll find the address now sitting along the bottom of the screen. Been writing, of course, when somebody's got a busy day job, life does get in the way sometimes. And when I had some shorthandedness on my team, work got really heavy, got into the way of writing. While I was doing the writing, I also started doing a lot of video. I take that while I was traveling. Started a YouTube channel that I signed up for maybe a year ago, and started doing things sporadically as I learned to record better, edit, that sort of thing, and present it. And eventually I got to the stage where I thought, I want to do a lot more on YouTube, and how can I share more? How can I present it? I've been doing property tours, hotel room videos, some destination tours, and that sort of thing. And you'll find those throughout the channel. But I got to the point where I thought, I want to share a lot of the stuff that I might have done in writing in a video format. And that was the inspiration behind Trip Clips. The idea of Trip Clips is these are going to be 3 to 5 minute video segments, and that's clips, very short, very small, but informative. I wanted them to be educational. And so you're going to see a variety of things. A lot of it's going to come from right here in my home office, and that's going to be tips, hacks, just educational ideas, travel news. But I'll also be doing some things on the go as I travel. I'm an avid traveler. I try to do something for pleasure at least once a month. A lot of long weekend trips. And then on top of that, there's business travel. And so to the extent that I can share the experiences while I'm on the road, I will do that. So that's the quick introduction to A Life's Journeys and to Trip Clips. I really hope you enjoy them, and that you'll subscribe and buckle in for enjoy the ride, and let's keep going. My goal is to do these 2-3 times a week and get things posted, so hopefully we'll be seeing you along the way. As I said, please subscribe, follow along, add any comments, anything you want to share. If there's any topics you want me to cover, any questions, please drop a comment, and I'll cover it in another episode, or I'll cover it in a response to your comments. Thanks so much, and please enjoy a Trip Clips, and thanks for watching A Life's Journeys.